Barbell Front Squat. This is one of my favorite squats just across the board because of how challenging it really is. So with the front squat versus back squat, front squat, the barbell, the weight is in front of you, whereas the back squat, the weight is behind you, is on your back, right? So just shifting that weight to the front, you are going to be challenged more in your shoulders, in your arms, in your core, and it is going to shift more weight into your quads. It's still working at your butt, your hamstrings, all of it, but it feels different. With a front squat, you won't be able to lift as much as you would on a back squat, but that's okay. That doesn't mean that it's any less effective. It's probably more effective. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, so you're going to start out with the bar. I like to go collarbone height. Okay, so collarbone height. I get my grip, so which is about shoulder width apart, a little bit wider. Okay, shoulder width apart. And then roll that barbell all the way to the front, to the edge of the J cup. I step under and then stand up. Okay, so now that barbell is resting on my shoulders. Okay, so yes, it is tucked back into my neck. So it is a little uncomfortable. It's something that you just have to get used to. You're challenging your shoulder mobility with this exercise. If that position with the bar in your wrist, if that pulls on your wrist a little bit, hey, just let go of a couple of fingers, right? Here's what I mean. If this is too challenging, let go of a finger, right? You can even let go of that finger. You can even roll it or hold it with your thumb if you are super challenged in your wrists. And then if that still bothers you, you can cross your arms, all right? Crossing your arms, still keeping your elbows up, you'll still get the same benefit. So, okay. How do you actually perform it? Well, I talked about the barbell on your shoulders. That is the most important key, okay? Because as you're squatting down, if you dump your elbows forward, then that weight is going to fall forward, okay? So keeping your elbows up, sit down, come back up. So the key to this, keep your elbows up, all right? So we're in right here. Keep your elbows up. You're going to sit down and then stand up. All right, so just like a normal squat, sitting down, standing up, your body is more upright because of that counterbalance. The bar in the front is going to counterbalance you leaning back a little bit more so you can be a little bit more upright. So to get started with this, just start out with the bar. If you're having a hard time keeping your elbows up, cross your hands, cross your arms. So then you're supporting that bar and you do have a little wiggle room with your elbows. So give this a try. Let me know what y'all think.